In this video, I will show you how to see your Apple ID password on iPhone. If you have forgotten your password, don't worry. I will guide you through the steps to find it. First things first, swipe left past all your home screen pages until you reach the app library. At the top of the app library, you'll notice a search bar. Tap on it and type in passwords. Wait for the results to populate. Once you see it appear, tap and select the Passwords app. This will prompt Face ID verification to ensure it's really you accessing these sensitive details. Now that you're inside the Passwords app, tap on the search bar at the top again. Type in Apple and hit search. Select apple.com from the search results. Here, you'll find your username and password for apple.com, essentially, your Apple ID login credentials. To view your password, simply tap here. You can also copy it if you need to use it elsewhere. But what if your Apple ID password isn't saved there? No problem, let's explore another way using Google's Password Manager if you've saved your passwords through Google or used Google Chrome on a desktop or a laptop. Start by opening up the Google Chrome web browser. If you don't have it installed yet, head over to the Apple App Store and download it. Make sure you're signed into your Google account before proceeding. This is crucial for accessing saved passwords. Next, tap on these three little dots, located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Swipe left through these options until you find Password Manager. Just like before, this will require Face ID verification to confirm it's really you trying to access these passwords. In the Saved Password section, scroll down until you find and tap on apple.com. Here again, just as before, you'll see both your username and password, your Apple ID login credentials ready for use. And there you have it, 2 straightforward methods to retrieve your Apple ID password directly from your iPhone. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.